In this video, you will learn how to create a simple dashboard in WinCross Executive. Click on Dashboards from the homepage or Tabulation menu, Dashboards. Choose your data set, click New, give it a name. We'll leave the height as the default. Click Create, and here we have our dashboard canvas. And on the left, we have different types of items that can be added to our dashboard. First, we'll add our simple crosstab. Add a chart. As you can see, it is a drag and drop interface. You can also add images that have been uploaded to your My Drive, or Net Promoter Score gauges or data points. You can also add labels, dynamic data points, horizontal percentage bars, or vertical percentage bars. Let's add a label. As we can see, so the text is a little large, so we'll increase the size of our label. And we have some space down here on the left. We'll use it for an NPS gauge. And this data set doesn't have an NPS variable. We'll pick on education and see what that looks like. You can customize your detractors and your passives and your promoters. They're filled in with the defaults for you. This would be if you are using a 0 to 10 scale for your Net Promoter Score, which is usually what is done. And here we have our Net Promoter Score. We'll go ahead and save our changes. And just like a report or a crosstab, we can add some filters. We might as well add a couple of them here. And a few of them. Let's see what it looks like. And there we have it. A simple dashboard. Let's apply a filter. Rerun. And we can see our numbers change to reflect our data. And hopefully our real Net Promoter Score isn't this bad. Dashboards, of course, can be edited extensively to make them look very presentable for your clients. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.